In this tutorial, our main objective is to describe stabilizing selection. Environmental factors that affect the chance of survival of an organism are selection pressures. For example, there could be high competition for food between lions if there is not plenty of prey available. This environmental factor selects for the faster, more powerful lions that are better hunters. These selection pressures can have different effects on the allele frequencies of a population through natural selections. And we have three types of selection: stabilizing, disruptive, and directional. In this video, we are going to focus on stabilizing selection. Stabilizing selection is a natural selection that keeps allele frequencies relatively constant over generations. This means things stay as they are unless there is a change in the environment. One classic example of stabilizing selection can be seen in human birth weight. This is where very low and very high birth weights are selected against, leading to the maintenance of the intermediate birth weights. So we can say that in stabilizing selection, the extremes of the phenotype are eliminated.